children. Today we are going to read our next chapter, The Final Word. It's a poem. It's a poem about a boy who had been beaten up in the school, and some of the boy bullied him. So it destroyed him, and he wanted to get comfort. And at last, the final words of his by his mother help him to overcome his hurt and pain inflicted upon him by the other children. So let's read in detail about his feelings and emotions. Flowing like water and crashing against the shore of his mind, they hit him again and again. Those memories thrashed him like invisible hands. The flowing like water and crashing against shore of his mind means the memories of his being beaten up again and again bump into his mind, and they hit him again and again. And these memories thrashed him. Thrashed means beat him up repeatedly with a stick. Thrashed him like invisible hand. Invisible hand here means it is a phrase which means the boy has the memories of being beaten by the bullies, and these memories etched in his mind. Etched means these are made up in his mind or engraved in his mind. Although they had beaten him once only, but the memories of that beating keep thrashing him again and again. So it make him feel like some invisible hands are still hurting him. But boys were not supposed to cry, so he drank in the fear that caused his cheeks. But literally, it is not socially acceptable for the boys to cry, so they are not supposed to cry. Usually, in our society, the boys are being taught with such a thought that they are not supposed to cry. But divinely it is not acceptable because like the girls boys have the same emotions and feelings. It will be very unhealthy if they will not cry when they in their disappointment. It is very bad for their mental health, but still the society they are being taught that they are not supposed to cry because they have to turn into a man, and who cannot be open up about their feelings and their emotions. But so that is why he also drank in his fear that covers his cheeks. Covers his cheeks means flow in a liquid. So what flow in liquid from the cheeks? That are the tears. And he buried his face in his hand. Buried means he hid his face in with his hand. He remembered her face. Her means her mother. Everywhere. Serene means calm and divine in its simplicity. Divine means divinity, the person who is very simple although has a divine aura. So we can say the little boy remember his mother, who even though being a simple human being has a divine aura, and she gives him strength. How? She gives him strength by telling him everything was alright, no one could hurt him now. By telling him that everything would be alright. So she give him these comforting words, and these words bring peace to his mind. She was always there behind him, mother, protector, savior. Then he thought of a shame how the other had laughed at him. His mother has always been there for him, as he know that she is his protector as well as savior. Then again he thought of a shame how the other had laughed at him. He again felt ashamed, and he again felt embarrassed about the thought, about the memory when he was being mocked by the other children, when he was being bullied by the other children, when other children called him a fool because he did not know the answer. So he was keep asking a question, how could they expect him to know everything? He was thinking that he is their classmate. So how could they expect him to know everything? The boy felt he could not comprehend. Why must he know after all? Desperation. He wished he could destroy every one of them that mocked at him. Crushed his self respect, wounded his pride. Wounded means hurt. Hurt his pride. His world crumbled around him. He thought he was going to die. The boy thought that he was going to die because he was ashamed and embarrassed. He felt like his world was crumbling in front of his eyes. After being beaten by the bullies, the little boy's pride was really crushed and he had lost all his self confidence. He thought that he won't be able to deal with such an embarrassment and that he would die. And then he thought of waiting of him with open arms and an understanding smile. He felt slightly reassured and headed for home. The boy knows that his mother would be waiting for him with open arms and with an understanding smile. He knows that he would feel loved and reassured. He felt reassured and headed for home. Still hesitant, still upset, still dying, the boy had had a bad day at school. Even though he thought that he will go home and he will definitely be reassured by her mother, but still going back to home to his mother does not change the reality of the boy. He just gets peace for a little time as the next day he has to go to the school again and face the bullies. Going back to his mother provided temporary relief to the boy, but the bigger problem still stays in his mind and he has to face it in the next day. So this was the poem, but this story convey a message to us. This story has taught us that if a child goes through with the same pain as this boy goes, then it is not good for them. Somebody should, if there is no one to talk to that child, then it really hurt his self respect, and his self respect is bound to be shattered. And with this embarrassment or humiliation of being beaten in front of other classmates, that also for no reason, this could fill his heart with a certain amount of terror, or we can say nothing can help him to get rid of these embarrassment, can make the child believe that he is not loved by everyone, and he might get suicidal thoughts like this boy gets. But children who suffer such pain generally have the very less self confidence, very low self confidence. So they should definitely, children must talk to their adults about their problems. Only then they will get the solution. Otherwise, they will, if they suffer alone, then it will affect their mental health. So, according to me, we should always share our experiences with our adult who can guide us how to deal with it. And it has also the message for the adult also, that they should look after their children and they should have the knowledge that how they are working with other children, and what in what environment they are, with what kind of people and what kind of environment they are dealing of. So this was it, and this was this poem. Thank you.